Have you ever wondered how schools choose what to teach? Let's dive into the curriculum selection process in U.S. schools. First off, this process is decentralized. It's managed primarily by state and local entities, not a central authority. Key stakeholders in this process include teachers, administrators, and school boards. Each plays a crucial role in shaping the curriculum. Selection criteria focus on alignment with state standards. Research-based effectiveness and cost considerations also come into play. Different school levels have unique focuses. Elementary schools emphasize foundational skills, while middle schools introduce specialized subjects. High schools prepare students for college and careers. Charter schools enjoy greater autonomy, allowing for specialized curricula. However, challenges persist. Balancing diverse stakeholder interests and political influences can complicate the process. Ensuring equitable access to quality education is vital. Effective selection requires collaboration and ongoing evaluation. So there you have it. The curriculum selection process is complex but essential for quality education. Stay informed and engaged.